Hey, what's up, Reef Finance going holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The refinance condition is going very good. Now you can see 5.4% the refinance price is increasing now. So definitely after a short term, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I am 100% sure, my friends, to refinance price will be increasing after this short dump. Remember, you can see, my friend, this time also they will starting moving upwards. So refinance colder today, I have a lot of good news is for all of you. The first good news, my friend, I am going to explain now, and the second I have so my friend after that explaining at the end of month. So therefore, the first reason was that, my friends, to the price the first good news is that, my friends, to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore, in previous days the coin were very badly fares down. So you can see here urgently in last 7 days, this is the average, this is the average of this profit. Otherwise, my friends, they were fails down. If we check out the last 3 days, so you can see minus 3.35% they were fails down. So the first good news was that to after a huge term they will starting pumping up, and many congratulations to the price will increasing. I'm going to show you the proof. So you can see at this time, you can see here 4.89% in last 12 hours they will get a profit. So in last one day, in last 3 days they were fails down, but in last 12 hours they will get a profit. So therefore, you can see, my friend, the moving they will moving upward. So the second good news, my friend, is that too we will starting giveaway. The giveaway is coming soon, my friends. We will doing, my friends, I'm doing, my friends, 20,000 reef coin, my friends. So therefore, absolutely there is a lot of chances to you will win now. So kindly, my friends, just and only you will need to subscribe this channel and keep touch with us. I hope, my friends, this giveaway is just and only for my subscribers. So kindly don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time. Like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will more increase and they will give you a double to triple profit.